In recent years, the shift to remote work has affected almost all industries, but transcriptionists were working from home long before it became a common trend. So if you'd like to make money online, then transcription can be a great way to earn extra money and work flexible hours. Transcriptionists need strong typing grammar and listening skills. If that describes you, then doing transcription as an independent contractor might be a rewarding career for you. So make sure to stick around with me up to the very end of this video so you will learn how to do transcription jobs. So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new videos all about making money online. If you have any questions, suggestions, or clarifications about this video, please feel free to leave a comment below. Alright guys, so today's video, we are going to discuss the jobs about transcriptionists. But before that, let's discuss first what is transcriptionist. So what is transcriptionist? A transcriptionist listens to an audio or a video recording and produces a document that is an accurate reflection of its content. Some transcriptionists do verbatim transcriptions where they type exactly what is being said, while some do clean verbatim transcription where they leave out slaughters, grunts, or other irrelevant sounds while still capturing the meaning of the recording accurately. All transcriptionists have to have a good ear to understand what is being said and also an excellent grammar skill. So now let's discuss what type of transcription services can you provide. Although typing what you hear may sound simple, but transcription can be a complex field. There are several different types of transcription and each type has its own standard and guidelines. If you're planning to start your own business, you may want to specialize in one area or offer a range of services. Although typing what you hear may sound simple, transcription can be a complex field. So there are several different types of transcription and each type has its own standard and guidelines. So if you're planning to start your own business, you may want to specialize in one area or offer a range of services. So the first one is called general transcription. General transcription consists of all types of transcription other than legal or medical transcription. So here are the video or the types of video or audio recordings, including video caption speakers at conferences, insurance interviews, lectures, workers' compensations, interviews or meeting, and podcasts. So the second type of transcriptionist job is called medical transcription. Medical transcriptionist listens to clinicians' notes about patients and transcribe them into a special type of document that becomes part of a patient's medical record. So medical transcription requires training, although it may be on-the-job training or a training course, but medical transcriptionists usually do clean verbatim transcription, so they don't transcribe every word, like for example the or so the clinician dictates. However, medical transcriptionists have to know the difference between easily confused medical words such as aphasia and aphasia. So some medical transcriptionists edit speech-to-text documents, so they involve taking a document that was produced by speech recognition software and making sure it is an accurate reflection of what the doctor or the nurse practitioner said. So the transcriptionists also have to be skilled and understanding foreign accents, since many doctors have accents all over the world, so even if they speak excellent English. So another type of transcription job is called legal transcription. So legal transcriptionists make printed documents from legal audio recordings. So these documents become a part of the legal record. So legal transcriptionists can work for attorneys, paralegals, court reporters, or other legal professionals. So it is important to understand the difference between legal transcription and court reporting. However, court reporters work inside a courtroom recording the proceeding of the trial. A court reporter may then hire a legal transcriptionist to create an official transcript. Legal transcription is usually strictly verbatim, meaning that every utterance gets transcribed. So legal transcription have to know the proper way to format grammatically incorrect language since people rarely talk in complete, grammatically correct sentences. And now let's discuss what tools do you need to become a transcriptionist. So to be a transcriptionist, you'll need a computer, high quality headphones or a headset, a foot pedal to control audio, and of course, high-speed internet connection and transcription software. And also, a good headset is imperative since you'll need to hear even faint noises. So you can order noise-canceling headphones from Amazon or any online site. So these blackout room noises so you can hear the audio recording better. If you are doing legal or medical transcription, you may also need reference books as well. A comfortable office chair, a desk, and a quiet room are also helpful for transcriptionists. If you're working for your own clients, you may also need bookkeeping and invoicing software. So if you have a good memory so you can go faster, excellent grammar and spelling, while spell check will catch many common spelling errors. You need to know you're using the right word. Transcriptionists cannot mix up the you, the your, and the your spelling, the Y-O-U-R-E. Additionally, your grammar skills need to be top-notch because you are dealing with a lot of tricky grammar issues, especially if you are doing a strict verbatim transcription. These short skills when you run into unfamiliar terminologies or acronyms. You need to research them and make sure you're formatting it correctly. Being able to do accurate research is especially important in medical transcription. You should be able to tell the difference between an authoritative website, such as Medical Center, and an unqualified blogger. It's imperative that all of your research is done from authoritative places. So as a computer skills, you need to know the latest tech to be a transcriptionist. But you do need to know your way around the computer. You should be skilled in word processing software and transcription software. You also may need to know how to use file transfer protocol to transfer completed files to your clients or other specific platforms. If you work for a transcription service, they may have their own proprietary software you'll need to learn. However, many of these are cloud-based and have similar functions. Basically, you'll have to access a job, type it, and submit it. There may also be functions for notifying quality assurance if something needs to be double-checked. So now, where can you find transcription job as a beginner? If you've never done trying, many companies pay per minute of audio transcribed, then this is not how much you get paid per minute of working. A minute of audio may take a beginner 10 minutes to transcribe. Even if very experienced transcriptionist, it takes a less 4 minutes to transcribe and a minute of good quality audio. So bad audio may take much longer. You should do some test transcription to determine how long it takes you to transcribe a minute of audio so you can calculate your true pay rate. So if it takes you 10 minutes to transcribe a minute of audio, you'll make $3.60 per hour working for a service that pays 60 cents per minute of audio. If you can do a minute of audio in 6 minutes, then you will make $6 per hour working for that same rate. So the good news is if you do it regularly, you'll quickly improve your accuracy and speed and therefore your pay. However, you'll never make a lot of money working for these services. So here are the lists wherein you can find the transcription jobs. So first is the crowdsource. So crowdsource is a transcription platform that always hiring new transcriptionists. If you are accepted, then you will start with the basic jobs, but you can level up to more complex work that pays better. The platform provides transcription and captioning services, so you'll have access to a variety of work. Crowdsource is different from some other transcription sites because your audio files are 15 to 35-second segments of an audio file. After they are completed, they're combined with other segments from the same file. So you're only working on a portion of a file, so not the entire thing. Crowdsource pays via work market, so you have to set up an account in there to get paid. So your pay is based on the volume and accuracy of your work. in addition to any bonuses. So after you complete at least 100 tasks on level 1, you'll be eligible to level up to higher paying tasks. So Crowdsource doesn't list pay rate on its website, but according to Glassdoor, transcriptionist salary at Crowdsource is 6 per hour, with a range from 2 to 9 US dollar per hour. So now, what skills do you need to become a transcriptionist? So no matter what type of transcription you plan to offer, you'll need the following transcription skill. First is fast and accurate. A fast and accurate typing skill. So it's not the only skill you'll need, but typing is one of the most important. So to make money in your transcription business, you have to type fast and accurately. Before you begin transcription, you should have a typing speed of at least 65 words per minute with a high degree of accuracy. However, you should try to get your speed up to between 75 and 90 words per minute, since transcriptionists are paid by the line. So the faster you can type, so the more money you will make. And second should be attentive listening. Transcriptionists have to listen to a lot of different people and accurately transcribe what they are saying. So you need to be able to understand a variety of accents and dialects. So very few people speak perfectly. Most mumble, trip over their words, start and restart their sentences, or switch ideas in the middle of sentence. Our brains normally ignore these types of errors in normal conversation, but you will have to type them all out. So you can also find in Upwork for a transcription job, because Upwork is a platform that matches freelancer with work opportunities. So after you create an account, you can bid on posted jobs. So people who post jobs can set a price they're willing to pay, or leave the price open and see what bids they get. So the pay rate for jobs on Upwork is much higher than the pay rate of most transcription services. However, you may have a harder time finding consistent work in Upwork. The other website is called Transcribe Me. So Transcribe Me offers general transcription jobs starting 15 US dollar per audio hour, which works out to 25 cents per audio minute. So you will be eligible for higher paying jobs and advancement opportunity after you've been there well and developed your skill. The next one is called Happy Scribe. So Happy Scribe is a company based in Barcelona, but they hire people US-based transcriptionists. So it is higher pay rate than many other transcriptionist services at €9 per audio minute, so which works out to a little more than 1 US dollar at the current exchange rate. So the process for applying is similar to other services. You'll need to take a quiz and do a test transcription. So Happy Scribe pays every 2 weeks in your currency, so you don't have to worry about exchanging it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it and you learned something from it. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, clarifications about the video, please feel free to leave a comment down below, as I am willing to help you guys. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, as I will respond as soon as I can. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it and thank you for watching. So happy earning and God bless everyone. So bye for now.